Welcome to Karor Lal Esan, a town in Punjab, Pakistan. Nestled along the banks of the mighty Indus River, this town is a living testament to the rich cultural tapestry of the region. Here, old stories meet new lives. The architecture is a blend of ancient and modern, where traditional buildings stand proudly alongside contemporary structures. The land tells its own tales. Each field, each riverbank whispers stories of the past, of civilizations that once thrived here. The river sings its ancient song. The Indus River, with its timeless flow, has been a witness to the rise and fall of empires, a silent observer of history. People here are kind and welcoming. The warmth of the locals is palpable, their smiles inviting you to be a part of their community. This town holds history in its soil. From ancient ruins to historical landmarks, every corner of Karor Lal Esan is steeped in history. The great Indus River flows nearby, a lifeline for ages. It nourishes the land, bringing life to the fields and sustaining the people. It brings life to the fields and has seen empires rise. The river's waters have irrigated the land for centuries, supporting agriculture and fostering civilizations. Not far from the town, the landscape changes dramatically. The majestic Suleiman mountainous range stands tall. These mountains are not just a backdrop, they are an integral part of the region's identity. These mountains influence the land and its weather. They shape the climate, bringing rains that nourish the fields and cool breezes that temper the heat. They are silent guardians of Karor Lal Esan. Standing tall and proud, they watch over the town, a constant presence in the lives of its people. The presence of these mountains is significant. They cast long shadows over the plains, a reminder of the natural forces that shape this land. They add to the diverse scenery. The contrast between the rugged mountains and the fertile plains creates a landscape of stunning beauty. The mountains watch over the plains. They are a constant presence, their peaks visible from almost every part of the town. They complete the picture of this place. The mountains, the river, the fields and the town all come together to create a landscape that is both beautiful and unique. Karor Lal Esan is truly special. Its unique blend of natural beauty and historical significance makes it a place worth exploring. It invites you to explore more. The town's pathways and open fields beckon you to discover its secrets and immerse yourself in its charm. It makes you want to understand its unique blend of history and nature. Karor Lal Esan is a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, creating a rich tapestry of experiences for all who visit. The land around Karor Lal Esan is very rich, a gift from the Indus River. This soil is perfect for growing crops. Farmers cherish their fertile fields. The land supports many families in the region. Farmers work hard, using both old and new methods. Their efforts make the fields green and productive. Wheat grows in vast golden fields, a staple food for the people. The harvest season is a busy and joyful time. Rice also grows well in this area thanks to the wet soil near the river. Paddy fields stretch far and wide. The Indus River provides the necessary water. The delicate rice plants sway gently. The aroma of rice cooking is common. Rice is another key part of the local diet. It is enjoyed in many delicious dishes. The land's fertility is a great blessing. Karor Lal Esan is home to tropical sandy thorn forests. These forests are suited to the climate and can survive with less water. The trees here are strong and hardy. They have adapted to the sandy soil. These forests are important ecosystems. Many creatures live within these green spaces. Kikar, yand and shisham trees grow here, providing shade and clean air. These trees have stood for many years like wise old guardians of the land. They are a part of the local heritage. People collect firewood from these forests. Animals graze among the trees. These forests help prevent soil erosion. They protect the land from strong winds. We must take care of these forests. They are a treasure for future generations. They connect us to the wild heart of this region. The land and water here support much wildlife. Many different animals live in this region. Birds sing in the trees and fields. Small mammals scurry in the undergrowth. Reptiles bask in the warm sunshine. The Indus River is full of life too. Fishing is an important activity here. Local fishermen know the river well. They use nets and lines to catch fish, providing food and income. Fresh fish from the Indus is delicious. Honeybee colonies are also found here. The local flowers provide nectar for bees. Beekeepers set up hives for the bees. The bees work hard to make honey, which is pure and tasty. Protecting this wildlife is very important. It ensures the health of the land and keeps the ecosystem thriving. The weather in Karor Lal Esan can be extreme. Summers are very hot with temperatures rising high. People try to stay cool indoors. Winters, on the other hand, are cold. The nights can be especially chilly. This variation in climate is typical of this region of Punjab. The land holds secrets beneath its surface. Scientists believe there might be valuable resources. Exploring for these resources takes time and careful study. The earth here is ancient and complex. There is potential for oil and gas here. This could bring changes to the area. Finding oil or gas can create jobs and bring new developments. However, it must be done carefully to protect the environment. The future of this potential is unfolding. Karor Lal Esan has a very long history. Its story goes back many centuries. The Indus Valley civilization was nearby. The town is famous for a saint, Hazrat Lal Esan. His full name was Syed Muhammad Ishaq. He was a descendant of Hazrat Bahauddin Zakaria of Multan. His presence made Karor a spiritual center. People were drawn to his wisdom and piety. Hazrat Lal Esan lived a remarkable life. He was born in the 15th century. Legend says he rode a lion and carried a red scarf or lal. He traveled widely, spreading his teachings. He chose Karor as his final resting place. His teachings emphasized love and peace. His influence is still felt strongly today. The history of Karor Lal Esan is rich and fascinating. Karor Lal Esan is rich in cultural sites, each telling a story of its own. This town, nestled in the heart of Punjab, is a treasure trove of history and spirituality. From ancient landmarks to vibrant festivals, Karor Lal Esan offers a unique blend of the past and present. The most famous is the shrine of Hazrat Lal Esan, a revered Sufi saint. This shrine stands as a testament to the rich spiritual heritage of the region. This shrine is a beautiful building with intricate designs that captivate visitors. The detailed architecture reflects the artistic prowess of the craftsmen who built it. Many people visit this sacred place to pay their respects and seek blessings. The shrine is a beacon of faith, drawing devotees from near and far. The atmosphere at the shrine is peaceful, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a place where one can find solace and spiritual rejuvenation. Annual festivals called Urs celebrate the saints of the region. These festivals are a time of joy and reflection, honoring the spiritual leaders who have shaped the community. The Urs of Hazrat Lal Esan draws huge crowds, with people coming together to celebrate and remember the saints' teachings. There are prayers, religious songs, markets and food stalls, creating a vibrant and lively atmosphere. The air is filled with the sounds of devotion and the aroma of delicious food. These festivals are vibrant and colorful, showcasing the rich cultural tapestry of Karor Lal Esan. The streets come alive with music, dance and the joyous spirit of the community. Local cuisine here is delicious, offering a taste of Punjab. The food is a highlight of the festivals, with a variety of traditional dishes to savor. People enjoy traditional dishes like roti, rice, saag and lassi. These meals are a celebration of the region's culinary heritage. The food is often simple but flavorful, made with fresh local ingredients. Each bite tells a story of the land and its people. Sharing a meal is an important tradition, fostering a sense of community and togetherness. It's a time to connect with loved ones and celebrate the bonds that unite us. It brings people together in warmth, creating memories that last a lifetime. The act of sharing food is a symbol of hospitality and generosity. These cultural elements define Karor Lal Esan, making it a unique and special place. The town's rich heritage is reflected in its traditions, festivals, and daily life. The shrines offer spiritual solace, providing a sanctuary for those seeking peace and guidance. They are a testament to the enduring faith of the community. The festivals bring people together, fostering a sense of unity and shared purpose. They are a celebration of the community's spirit and resilience. The food provides comfort and joy, nourishing both body and soul. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life and the importance of coming together to share them. Many languages are spoken in Karor Lal Esan. This vibrant town is a melting pot of cultures and traditions where linguistic diversity is celebrated and embraced by its residents. The main language is Saraiki, a sweet and musical language. It flows like a gentle river, carrying with it the rich history and heritage of the region. The Saraiki language is not just a means of communication, but a symbol of identity and pride for the people. Many people also speak Punjabi and Urdu. These languages add to the cultural tapestry of Karor Lal Esan, making it a place where different linguistic traditions coexist harmoniously. This mix of languages shows the diverse connections of the region. It reflects the town's historical significance as a crossroads of various cultures and peoples. The people of Karor Lal Esan are known for their warmth, their smiles are genuine, and their hospitality is legendary. They take pride in making visitors feel at home. They are very hospitable to visitors. Whether you are a stranger or a friend, you will be welcomed with open arms and treated with the utmost respect and kindness. They greet you with open hearts and are always ready to help. Their generosity knows no bounds, and they go out of their way to ensure that your stay is comfortable and enjoyable. This welcoming nature makes visitors feel comfortable. It creates an atmosphere of warmth and friendliness that is hard to find elsewhere. Karor Lal Esan is becoming a tourist attraction. Its unique blend of culture, history and natural beauty draws people from all over the world. People come for spiritual peace, natural beauty and history. The town offers a serene environment where one can find solace and tranquility. The town offers a unique experience. From its historic landmarks to its scenic landscapes, there is something for everyone to enjoy. Visitors can explore the historic town centre and walk along the Indus River. These walks offer a glimpse into the town's past and present, showcasing its rich heritage and natural beauty. They can visit local craft markets and try the delicious local food. The markets are a treasure trove of handmade crafts, traditional clothing and local delicacies that tantalize the taste buds. Talking to local people is rewarding. It provides an opportunity to learn about their customs, traditions and way of life. It helps you understand their way of life. These interactions foster a deeper connection and appreciation for the local culture. A visit to Karor Lal Esan is enriching and leaves you with lasting memories. The town's charm, hospitality and cultural richness make it a destination worth exploring. If you plan to visit, know the weather. Summers are very hot, so the best time to visit is winter. From October to March, the weather is pleasant. The days are mild and sunny, and the nights are cool. This weather is good for sightseeing. Always check the forecast before you travel. Traveling to Karor Lal Esan is possible by road. You can reach it from nearby cities by bus or car. Once in town, you can use local transport like rickshaws. Plan your journey in advance. Ask locals for directions if needed. When you visit, please be respectful. This town has a rich heritage. Do not litter or damage any sites. Show respect for local customs and traditions. Karor Lal Esan is truly a hidden gem, offering a unique blend of experiences.